video. Y'all, as y'all can see, Keyshawn is not with me. So y'all already know what the deal is. It's prank time, y'all. This is gonna be our first prank on our channel. So I don't know how it's about to go. I don't know how Keyshawn about to react. But the training that's going on now is going through the car wash and letting the window down. So I'm about to pick him up from work. And I'm about to say, babe, like, we need our car wash. Like, let's go get the car wash. Let's clean it out. Because it is lit dirty a little bit. So we're about to see how this play out. So, yeah, let's get into this video. Oh, y'all so excited. But, yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And y'all know we about to vibe out like always. Let's get into this video, y'all. It's your girl, Nay.
Yeah, it's that boy Guap. Y'all already know.
And we're back with another video.
Bang, you know what's going on. Another banger, you know what I'm talking about.
So we decided to make a vlog today.
Like, you driving so fast for?
We decided to make a vlog today. I just picked up Keyshawn from work.
And she got me down bad, but she was insisting on making the video.
It's okay. But y'all, we about to go to the car wash and wash the car.
Crazy lady.
And then we supposed to make another video later too. I don't know if we're gonna combine both videos and make a separate video.
What we eat?
I don't know. So yeah. So y'all, we'll get back to y'all when we get to the car wash and do a little video, little vlog, or whatever you want to call it.
Better not run.
There's a truck in the way.
Yeah. You keep on finna get ready to run. Red light.
The camera a little creaky.
Yeah, man. Your face. Your teeth a little crooked. Why you got braces for?
I had an overbite.
Nah, cause it's a little crooked.
Y'all, first off, my teeth was always pretty, but like when I
see yellow.
Cap.
What's you put on?
Yo, the reason I had got braces because I have an overbite. Like when I smile, like my front teeth come over my bottom teeth. My teeth was never crooked. I ain't have no gaps or nothing. So, but now I do have gaps because I ain't been wearing my rubber bands. So yeah, I gotta wear rubber bands, y'all. And it be too much. Like when you want to eat something,
okay,
you gotta take them out.
She going too deep because y'all don't care. Team Guap, y'all already know what's going on. Let's go, gang.
Anyway, y'all, it's Monet. I mean,
she don't even get what. She don't even know.
It's Dave Monet.
Ask her, which one do y'all want her to? Do y'all want y'all to call her, bro? Is it Nate or Monet? She got two names.
It's Nate Monet. That's my brand, and it's gonna stay my brand.
I ain't know that. Wrong with your brand. I say, what they want to? Don't worry about it. I'm confused.
Just tell him just to chill, sit back and relax.
That's so hard.
Just chill,
Boy,
bro.
That's so hard.
Just tell him to chill.
On her, so
he's so lame.
You so lame.
But like I was saying about my braces, y'all, it's just too much when you got to wear like rubber bands and stuff, and every time you want to eat something, you gotta take them out. That would just be too much. All that extra stuff, I don't be with. I thought you just had to wear braces and call it a day. That's it. But it's extra to it, and I don't like that. And it's always a hater. It's always a hater, y'all. But y'all, we always to the car wash. When we get there, we'll be back to the video. I was trying to find the car piece thing. Y'all, we just made it to car wash.
How y'all doing?
Hello. Wait, put my purse back there.
Bro, why I gotta do everything, bro?
Am I on here?
Oh.
I feel like I'm about to hit these people. Y'all, we just made it to the car wash, period. Let me see where my phone at. It's in my purse. I don't need it. Babe, put my phone. Babe, put my phone in my purse.
What you smiling? What's funny?
That's funny. I lean a little bit.
Wanna play? Oh! 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 Oh!
Y'all, I'm getting wet. I want to try to get wet. It's still, oh, y'all, God, look at my car. Yo, I done got wet, y'all. Look at my car. That is crazy. Y'all, you think that junk funny. You think that thing funny, y'all. You think that's funny. You want to dry off a little bit? You can dry off a little bit.
Bro, stop, bro.
Man, dry off.
No.
Let go of the thing. Man, you can dry off. Let my car dry off. This thing don't even want to stay, y'all. Y'all, he's soaked. Look at that, baby. Yeah, he's soaked.
I'm on my phone.
Yeah, look at the car. Drenched. Look at the ceiling. I'm weak. Here, babe. Babe, how did you feel about the prank?
Kids need to go to the playground and play. Cause you were playing too much with me. Crazy.
Anyway.
And it backfired.
Anyway.
Her seats will check out her interior is very wet. Soaking. Yeah.
Anyway, y'all, that sums up the prank. He didn't actually react how I thought he was gonna react, but y'all, I got wet too. So the prank was an epic fail, but it was still funny.
My pinky look.
Anyway, y'all, tell me some more pranks to do on him, because that one wasn't it.
Yeah.
He didn't react how I wanted him to react. But anyway, y'all, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you tell your mama, your daddy, your auntie, your uncle, your granddaddy, your great grandma, your godmama, whoever. Tell them to check us out, because you know we are vibe, and that's what, period. But y'all, we are out.
That's your catchphrase, period.
Y'all, we are out. Bye.